Yeah, it is getting really laggy. Whoa. Alright, is it less laggy over there? Alright. that was funny. I went underground. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Was it fast? Not on mine. Alright. Tell me when it stops. Alright, it's lagging now. Alright, tell me when. No, you didn't. SOCOM 2. You're gonna bring that to school? SOCOM? Who's laughing in the background? I swear I heard, yeah. That guy's laggy so much that I can freeze it up and shoot him. Stupid ponage. Oh, and I could catapult myself off that. Alright, ready? Since we're... That's not a funny prank. Throwing barrels off the agency. And drop the chunk. I'm making it really laggy, just so you know. Cause look behind you. There's a bunch of trucks in the water. Hello. This will make it interesting. Did you see what I just did? Yeah, like 2 seconds. It froze for 2 seconds. Damn! Well, I have to go. Alright, wait. Yeah. You're home already? That was funny, I went underground. It's cool because I'm playing on a screen on my computer. I'm playing on the screen of my computer. It's awesome. I'm looking at my computer screen, not my TV one. Wow! Yeah. You are? Well, it's kind of hard because it's lagging a lot on my computer, but not on the screen. It's cool. No, look at my screen. There, it's lagging. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, no, no. Yes. I'm still very low. No! Stupid wag. Yeah, but that's kind of hard. You can't really blame them because they've been working on a lot of stuff. Whoa. I wonder. Nothing. I'm just wondering.
Remember it. Use the dossier to access the latest agency intel about the gangs and their locations.
Suicide on Miami. Whoops. Hey, hey, don't complain about lagging. At least we have internet. Boom. Great, I'm underground again. I'm underground again. Yeah, I shot myself downwards. Oh, never mind. There you go. Where are you? Are they at the top?
Basic explosive skills are such that any explosive ordnance you use has an effective blast radius of at least 20 feet.
How'd you get up there so fast?
Reinforcing damage.
What's that? It's slowly falling. Dude, it's a truck! How'd you get up there so... Yeah, but how'd you get up there so fast? Climb this? Dude, that's a lot. You're the one lagging.
The best way to affect a gang's effectiveness is to remove its key members, such as the specialists who affect recruitment, physical efficiency, armed combat capability, and vehicle supplies.
Nice. Watch Kyle. Kyle, look at me. Look at me.